I have switched off all of the possible notifications on my Mac, but why do I keep seeing this? Notifications on your Mac have their own logic, and if you don't understand them, it's not your fault. This video will save years of your life, keeping you from distractions, as I'll explain how to outsmart the default notification settings. But before we dive in, make sure to watch our video on how to clear cache on Mac as well. We show you a few ways to quickly do this. Okay, sometime around 2023, Mac users across the world started seeing something strange on their machines. One morning, they saw a system notification they had never seen before. Cheerfully titled, "Ask You," the window warned about a virus found on users' machines. Millions of people got duped because they trusted the familiar system gear symbol, believing it came from Apple. So if you want a safe ride on your Mac for years to come, check out CleanMyMac. It deals with viruses and cleans up millions of hidden files across your drive. The best part is that you can use it free for 7 days, so start now. But why did I tell you the story about the Ask You virus? Because people wrongly believe system notifications are a necessary evil and you can't skip them. But in fact, you can. So let's open up notifications. Simply go to Settings, Notifications, and here you can finally take control of what gets your attention. First up, Show Previews. This decides whether notifications display their content even when your Mac is locked. By default, it's set to when unlocked, but if you prefer more privacy, set it to never, so messages and emails don't show up for anyone passing by. Next, allow notifications when the display is sleeping. If your Mac lights up randomly in the middle of the night with updates or app alerts, this is why. Turning it off helps keep things quiet when you're not using your device. Allow notifications when the screen is locked. This is a similar idea. If your Mac is locked, notifications don't need to be active. Turning this off ensures no alert pop-ups when you're away. Next, allow notifications when mirroring or sharing the display. If you're presenting or sharing your screen, the last thing you want is a notification interrupting you. It's best to disable this unless there's a specific reason to keep it on. Then there's app-specific notification settings. This is where you choose which apps can notify you and how they do it. So let's open Messages, for example. Maybe banners make sense here. Calendar, time-sensitive reminders can be useful. And News, if you don't need constant updates, it's worth disabling. Now, if you haven't already, check out our video on the best Mac Cleaner software. It's packed with great apps to help keep your Mac running smoothly. But next, let's talk about browser notifications, which can be a major source of distractions. In Safari, go to Settings, Websites, and Notifications. If a site has ever asked you to enable notifications and you agreed, it's listed here. So if you don't need alerts from websites, you can remove them or block new ones entirely. And in Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and Notifications. If too many sites are allowed, you can clean up the list or block them altogether. There's also a Use Quieter messaging option that prevents sites from spamming you with notification requests. So to wrap up, adjust system notifications so only essential ones come through, disable unnecessary browser notifications to avoid interruptions, and fine-tune app alerts to focus on what actually matters. With these changes, you have a Mac that stays quiet when you need it to without missing the important stuff.